There, I punched a hole through my yard. Let's take a walk. The old John Deere did good. The four-wheel drive did good. I didn't get stuck or even close to getting stuck once. Okay, so we're coming around the corner, heading out to the backyard. It's pretty deep. Just took her slow. Didn't shear a pin. I haven't sheared a pin in ever since I got that tractor. That tractor's got 175 hours on it since I bought it brand new. Never sheared a pin. Okay, so here I am going up to the back door of the shop. Okay, and I'm turning. You can see the tractor, the loader. And I backed up. I made a pass out here. Started to dig out the little 9630. You can see a little bit I got around it. Oh, she was buried. There's this side of it. You see it? Yeah. Okay, then I headed out here to the back. I got up close to the loader so I can have a little bit of access to that. And I made it back here to the, my little signs got a little bit snow covered. And my workshop roof, I'll clean that off later. And then I gotta clean the shed, this red. Okay, gotta go. See ya.